Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get rainbow light on your PS5 controller using DS4Windows. This is the only way to achieve this vibrant effect. To begin, make sure you have DS4Windows installed and running on your computer. Then, connect your PlayStation 5 controller, either through a USB cable or via Bluetooth. Once connected, DS4Windows will recognize your controller, allowing us to proceed with the customization steps. Let's dive into making your controller shine with a beautiful rainbow. Next, we need to access the profile settings for your controller. Head over to the Profiles tab in the DS4Windows application. Here, you have the option to create an entirely new profile or select an existing one that you wish to modify. Once you have made your selection, click the Edit button to open the detailed profile settings. Within these settings, you will find various customization options. Our focus will be on locating the light bar section to adjust its appearance. Now for the fun part, configuring the rainbow effect. Within the light bar tab of your profile settings, look for the Special Effects drop-down menu. From this list, select the rainbow option. You will then see two sliders, Speed and Saturation. The Speed slider allows you to control how quickly the colors cycle through the rainbow spectrum, from very slow to very fast. The Saturation slider lets you adjust the intensity of the colors, from muted to 100% vibrant. Finally, it is time to save your new rainbow light bar settings and apply them. After making all your adjustments, click the Save button at the bottom of the profile window. This will save your changes to the selected profile. Next, ensure that this modified profile is actively selected and assigned to your PlayStation 5 controller. You can confirm this by returning to the Controllers tab. Your controller's light bar should now proudly display the vibrant, dynamic rainbow effect you configured. Enjoy your colorful gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.